The Zagg GEAR4 cases. Like previous year, they look stunning, but do they compete with all the other options out there? So the first one we look at is this Crystal Palace Snap case. This clear case is on the top of the list of best looking clear cases in my opinion. The sides with that extra grip look awesome, and it just helps a lot with the overall grip, so it's not just design. I like their MagSafe ring design too. It's just something different. But here come the negatives. It's not easy to get on the phone. You have to use all your strength to get it on there. But once it's on there, there's no room at all, so the fit is good. Just don't expect to take this case off every day, because that will make you angry for sure. Second negative is the MagSafe strength. It's very weak, on UAG level weak. So only for charging I think. I would not feel comfortable using this on anything else. And its price at 35 euros is not cheap either. It has a good front protection and the buttons are easily accessible. The camera bump looks good too. So if GEAR4 would just update their magnet strength, I would love this case. But as it stands, I think you should look elsewhere. Now the second model, the Rio Snap case, with that same grip design on the sides, but this time just all black. It feels like a sturdy case. Once again, not very easy to get on the phone though. It reminds me a lot of the OtterBox Symmetry Plus case, which had a similar thickness bezel on the front. This one has a unique camera bump, like most Zagg cases, which is sure to protect your phone's camera once it drops out of your hands. Once again, the magnets are pretty weak, so that's a bummer. If you slap on the phone, there's no room left. So the fit is similar here to the clear case Crystal Palace, which is a good thing. And on the sides they used a different material than on the back, to add even more grip I assume. Buttons are nice and the mute button is easily accessible. The back won't show any dirty fingerprints, so that's always good to see. Last model we look at really caught my eye, and that's probably the reason why I show these cases to begin with. The Denali Snap case has a really unique pattern on the back, and overall feels like the best out of the bunch here. But that shows in the pricing too. Coming in at 50 euros, this is the premium level pricing. And although you can really notice the difference from the other cases, does it hold up for that price? As far as protection goes, a definite yes. But it has all the same negatives of the other cases we discussed. And MagSafe is probably the worst of all. That's probably because of the pattern on the back that keeps more distance between the magnets. But the looks are awesome, I must say. It's really sad to see these good looking cases fail in my eyes, only due to difficulty getting it on the phone and the weak magnets. So GEAR4, if you see this video, please let me know once you updated your lineup and I will for sure come back to these in the future. This case feels really refined in the hand, so I would really consider these if they put in just a little more attention to the issues mentioned in this video. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're still not sure which case to buy, go check out my other videos, where I show you everything you need to know. For now though, have a fantastic day.